Andrea. Welcome back, apes. This is Ape Nation News, your daily headquarters for all things AMC and retail investor power. I'm Andrea, and today we're bringing you two major stories that every AMC shareholder needs to know. First up, AMC Entertainment just announced a significant debt restructuring deal that's reshaping the company's financial future. This move comes as the company continues to pivot toward long-term sustainability and profitability. The restructuring includes refinancing certain obligations and optimizing the capital structure, news that's already resonating through the retail trading community. For a closer look at the numbers and what they mean for the AMC movement, let's check in with Paul from his home office. Paul, what's the vibe in the community right now?
Paul, thanks, Andrea. That's right, AMC's debt restructuring is being hailed as a strategic victory by apes everywhere. This move demonstrates management's commitment to financial stability and reducing near-term maturities, which gives the company more breathing room to grow. I've been monitoring social media all morning, and the sentiment is incredibly bullish. Retail investors are sharing their analysis across Reddit, Twitter, and Discord, celebrating what they see as another win for Team AMC. The restructuring also signals that management believes in the company's long-term viability, which is exactly the kind of confidence that fuels the ape movement. While we're seeing some skepticism from traditional analysts, the ape community remains laser-focused on the fundamentals and the bigger picture. Keep those diamond hands strong, apes. Back to you, Andrea.
Andrea. Thank you, Paul. For our second story, AMC CEO. Adam Aron just teased a groundbreaking partnership announcement coming in the next quarter that could revolutionize the movie theater experience. Details are still limited, but early reports suggest this partnership involves cutting-edge technology that could enhance customer experiences and open exciting new revenue streams for the company. This kind of innovation is exactly what the ape community has been hoping to see from AMC leadership. To break down the details and gauge the real community reaction on the ground, we go live to Farah, reporting from outside one of the nation's busiest AMC theaters. Farah, what's the word on the street?
Farah. Thanks, Andrea. The energy here is absolutely electric. I'm standing outside a packed AMC theater in the heart of downtown, and apes are buzzing about this potential partnership. I've been conducting interviews with theater visitors and AMC shareholders, and the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. One longtime ape told me, "This is what we've been waiting for, AMC thinking big and fighting for its future." Another investor mentioned that innovation partnerships like this could be the game changer that transforms AMC's revenue model. The community believes that CEO Adam Aron is finally bringing the next generation technology and strategic initiatives that will cement AMC's place as an entertainment powerhouse. Whether it's advanced sound systems, immersive experiences, or digital solutions, apes are united in their conviction that these moves are positioning AMC for exponential growth. Back to you in the studio, Andrea.
Andrea. Thank you, Farah. To recap today's critical updates, AMC's debt restructuring is strengthening the company's financial foundation, and a major innovation partnership is on the horizon. Two moves that reaffirm management's commitment to long-term value creation. If you're holding, keep those diamond hands strong, because we are witnessing the transformation of AMC in real time. Remember, apes together, strong. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button, subscribe to Ape Nation News, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your AMC endgame? Are you excited about these developments? Share your predictions below, and let's keep this conversation going. Stay tuned for more breaking news and never miss an update. I'm Andrea, and as always, hold the line, stay informed, and keep supporting our company. Ape Nation, let's go.